Welcome to Healthy Hub, where smart living meets healthy habits. We're here to make wellness easier, tastier, and way more fun. Today's spotlight? Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System, a powerful tool that could seriously level up your kitchen game.
Tired of clunky kitchen appliances? Want a single system that does it all? Let's dive into the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. This system boasts a 1,400-watt motor, crushing ice and blending ingredients with ease. It's perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, and even dough. The Ninja's total crushing blades ensure perfectly smooth results every time. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to deliciousness. With 5 Auto IQ programs, you can create smoothies, chop veggies, and mix dough effortlessly. It takes the guesswork out of food prep.
Quick break. Love what you see? Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap that bell. And don't forget, the link to this product is waiting for you right below. Grab it while it's hot and healthy.
The system includes a 72-ounce blender pitcher, a 64-ounce processor bowl, and 2 24-ounces to-go cups. It's equipped for any task, big or small. The Auto IQ technology combines timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. This ensures optimal results without constant monitoring. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. The Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System is a game changer. Check it out on Amazon to revolutionize your health journey. Don't wait, upgrade your kitchen today and start creating delicious, healthy meals and drinks.
Thanks for spending time with us here at Healthy Hub. If you liked what you saw and think this kind of tool could fit into your healthy lifestyle, check out the link below to learn more or grab yours today. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing honest, helpful reviews every single week. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Stay balanced, stay bold.